How to share your gallery with your partner in Google Photos in mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we need to simply open Photos app, official Photos app. So I will simply click on that. Now here you guys will see on top right corner bell icon, profile pic and also plus icon. So I will simply click on plus icon. Once I click on it, it will say in end import from other places, share with partner. So I will simply click on share with partner. Now here I will simply click on select partner, but before that you guys can read the things like choose starting date, like from which date you want to share your gallery. Also choose photos to share, like here you have different options what type of photos and from which apps photos you want to share, but we will simply click on select partner. Now I will simply write my partner email. After that you need to simply click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, notification will send to your partner phone, and once they accept it, the gallery will be shared with them. Thanks for watching.